This one again, people seem to struggle a little bit with rearranging the formula. So we're just going to rewrite out that exact formula. Now, if we want x to be the subject, we need to get x on its own. So first of all, what is stopping that? Well, it's this +4. So we must move that onto the other side. And when we move it across, we do the opposite. So we have -4. So on this side, it's y -4. And left on this side is just 3x. Now, if we've got 3 lots of something, but we actually want only 1x, what we do is we divide by 3. Now, this isn't going to be a nice number, so the other way to write a divide is to put it as a fraction. So we take y -4 and we say over, so divide by 3. So that is your final answer. Y -4 over 3.